Hello, uh, in the wrong place where I'm gonna do unboxing. I'm in kind of a restaurant where I'm going to unbox this realme buds A2 new. I ordered it from Flipkart. It was very very tricky to order this one. Like these things were getting sold in every 5 or 2 minutes in the flash sales. So somehow I have managed and ordered for it. So let's check in the inside of this. So I don't have any scissors or something, so trying off something with the hand itself. Let's see. And this is gonna be an adventurous thing. Okay, let it be. Oh, this is. I don't hope entire video will be covered with this removing of tape without scissors. Oh God, this is too this thing. But excellent packing from Flipkart side also, no issue. Let me remove this peel off this one. Okay, now we are in some okay, here it's going to be a totally mess. I think this is not going to work out. Okay, somehow we managed to remove this one. So, oh God, how much left of this one here? Let me take it off. Let me take this off. Okay, that was good sound. And here it goes. The realme buds and nothing else in the box, so it's empty. So this is how the typical box looks like. Let me keep this parts upside. So this I have ordered it for this thing silver color. I don't know why why they have given black. But let me check out which is its color now. So here some of the specs they have given with this thing: active noise cancellation, 25 hours of total playback, this thing ATT super latency mode, and this is for gaming mode, and 10mm hi-fi bass driver, and transparency mode, and 10 minutes charge for 120. And this is great feature. I think this will be very handy in case of any urgency or something. For 10 minutes charge, like we will be getting this thing 2 hours of playback. So let me get into it and look what they have given inside the box. Now also I don't have any sharp objects, so what to do, don't know. And I don't have this thing sharp fingers, so let me give it to my cameraman so that he can proceed with it. Just remove the cover once. Yeah, tear it there. Okay, this is it. And from here, let me continue. I am the unboxing guy. Okay, this feels very good to remove the covers of any electronic gadgets I unbox. Okay, you can see the sound of it. It feels very, it feels very good. Okay, let me keep this all aside. And let me remove the box. Oh God, I need to do some research before I unbox. Like, I'm able to unbox this one. Okay, there you go. Somehow, like, they have paused the videos and like got back to the opening. Okay, that's great. I ordered it for like white variant. They have given the white one itself. So let me take up this thing, the main item from this box. Okay, they have covered with this casing with some informations on it. So there you go. And like, this box is very tiny and it feels so handy, and we can carry it like anywhere, and I think it fits in this thing or jeans, a small jeans pocket. So there it goes. This is the product. You can see the realme and the indication light. So nothing else we have got in the box. just I think a charger. Okay, this looks like typical Realme this thing cable. So with the yellow ones they have given, so this is how we need to fit with this. I think this is C type. That's great. We can somehow plug this and continue with our charging. So let me take off this charger and put it in the box so that I feel good for it. So let me place this inside. Okay, now taking off the buds for the first time. Okay, are you ready? There you go. The green color has like risen. You can see the green colored ones. So let me take trials. Like with one trial it will come. Yeah, it's great. You can see the stylish this thing Realme buds. It looks great, completely great. You can see like they have got a very good finish with them. So this is how this looks. Let me take this one also out. So you can take a look of this one with clothes and everything. Okay then, thank you.